Hello, my beautiful friends. I am back with yet another video this week. Don't mind this wall, it's completely empty and I'm working on it. I just don't know what to put there yet, so it's blank for now. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm back with another video. This one's gonna be for my farmhouse style friends. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a super cute, super easy and affordable to make window style wall piece. And I'm actually making this for my sister and she's totally into that theme. It's super, super cute, super in right now. You can find this stuff everywhere. So I hope you guys like it. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And yeah, hope you like it. All right, so this is what we're gonna need for this project. We're gonna need 6 mirrored picture frames from the Dollar Tree. I actually had these at my old house for a different project, but I've since moved. You're gonna need some pliers. I can't find mine, so I don't know what this is, but I'll make it work. I got this at Hobby Lobby for $1.99. It's white chalk paint. You can use whatever color you want. I got these paintbrushes from Hobby Lobby. They were $1.99. Some E6000, hot glue gun, and I might use this rope. I'm not sure yet. If I do use it, I'll show you guys how I used it. And this is also from the Dollar Tree and they do have that available still. So yeah, let's get started.